The new government ruling the country again is the result of the unprecedented sacrifices made by the nation for 20 years. The new government was left with nothing but only destruction and a bad economic situation in the country. Alhamdulillah, with the arrival of the new government, complete peace has been ensured in the entire country, and the foundation of a strong central government has been established. New government leadership is trying to take important steps to improve the economic situation of the citizens. The opening of the Kushtipa Canal, which is such a big project and is funded by the national budget, upon its completion, 5,80,000 hectares of land will be irrigated and the country will be self-sufficient in terms of grains. The opening of the industrial park of Feruzi town, in which 150 small and large factories are being built. The opening of the Afghan investment company, which is investing $250 million for the first time. And the priority is the production of electricity from coal. Koshkari oil block has been opened, where oil worth tens of millions of Afghani is extracted every day. And in the near future, the complete oil contract of Amo Basin will be given to a foreign company that will also process oil.